Dave's going to explain the expansion tank. Now this is a non-bladder expansion tank that Keystoker recommends. You can use a bladder type expansion tank similar to what you use on well systems, well pump systems. Okay, Dave.
Okay, as earlier in the video we showed you the 3 fittings or the 4 fittings on top of the boiler. We did tell you which one goes to the expansion tank, which is the 1/2 inch line with the valve coming off. And once again, I must repeat this, do not come up, go over, drop, and go back up. It's got to be an upshot all the way to the expansion tank, or the water will not drain back to the boiler as it's supposed to. This is where your fitting will go for your 1/2 inch line coming out of the boiler, and you just sweat it into there. And then over here you have a boiler drain, which over time these will fill, and if you have problems where you're building pressure and coming off the relief valve, 75% of the time it is that the expansion tank is full. All you would do is you'd shut that valve off that it goes to that side of the tank and open this up and just drain it. Shut this back up and go to the other valve, turn it back on, and you're good to go. Just got to reset the pressure at that point in time when you're all said and done draining the expansion tank. Now we do mount the expansion tank with metal strapping, just like this. You can get it at your local hardware store or plumbing outlet. Pretty much how you would do it is you would make it level. You would have an angle onto the one side for where the drain would be. That way you can drain all the water out of the expansion tank.
Now the expansion tank, the reason why they call it an expansion tank, it traps air in there, and as you heat your water up, it expands and it needs room to move. And this is what the expansion tank does. It allows the water to expand and push against the air pocket that's formed inside the expansion tank. Otherwise, if everything was full of water and you're heating it up, something's going to pop because the water will expand and not have anywhere to go. So.